Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to make your Facebook page searchable or appear in Google or in other search engines like Bing, Yahoo, and how to unhide your Facebook page from search engines. Before watching this video, please subscribe the channel. By default, your Facebook page is showing on search engines, but it takes some time, so you need to create your content and share it to your page. And it takes some time, then your Facebook page will appear on search engines. Let me show you how you can change the settings for your search engine for appearing your page in search engines. Go to settings and then from here scroll down, click how people find and contact you. Here you will see that by default your Facebook page will appear in search engines. You can, if you want to unhide your Facebook page to appear on search engines, then you can disable this option, and it takes some time. So I want to appear my Facebook page on search engines, so I choose this one. So in this way you can make your Facebook page to appear on search engine, and if you want to unhide, then you can unhide it from here. You can find your page by checking the Facebook page URL. This is your Facebook page URL, so you can check if it is appearing on Facebook, on Google search engine or not. And jump here. So it is appearing. Subscribe the channel and thanks for watching the video.